As someone who was lucky enough to go to Hawaii years ago, an experience I'll never forget, I respect the Hawaiian people and their land and everything in it. I saw a lot of it. It was gorgeous. I was got a chance to be in the Big Island. I was lucky because a lot of people thought I was Hawaiian, and they treated me as one of their own. I really loved it. It's a great time. But I bring this up because there is a viral video going on about a man, an entitled white man, who was seeing a monk seal in the ocean in Maui. Now, most of us try to admire nature, but you don't want to get close to nature. Nature does not want to be messed with. Case in point, if you ever been to Yellowstone, you see those posters. They said, "Don't mess with a buffalo." It's a picture of a buffalo hitting a person, striking a stick person on a cartoon flyer. That happens a lot because people think that buffalo is placed there for their entertainment. It is not. You don't want to mess with the wild animal. The wild animal will mess with you. And that happens a lot. Okay? I never forgot the one time I went to Yellowstone with my brother, God rest his soul, and we were off-road, and we came through a small creek, and we came up to a moose. Motherfucker was at least 6'6", huge, eating out of the stream, big damn antlers, and all we did was look at him and slowly back the fuck away, because we knew better. The second time I went to Yellowstone with my family, we had rented a van and there was a buffalo on the side of the road, and I slowly tried to pass it and he chased us. I didn't mean to upset him. I stepped on the gas. I didn't lose him till the van hit 40 miles per hour. Don't fuck with the wild animals. Which brings us back to this entitled asshole. So the monk seal is just doing his thing in the water. People around him, he was getting close. Him and his girlfriend were getting close on the on the edge. And there's signs everywhere. Don't mess with the monk seals. It's a habitat. Stay 50 feet away from them. Okay? Just stay away from them. If he had kept walking down there admiring it, I don't think no one would give a shit. But he kept coming closer to it. And people would say, "Hey, back off, back off." So him, being the entitled haole he is, decided, "Oh, I'll show these people who's boss." He picks up a rock and chucks it at the seal and misses him. He went to intentionally harm an endangered species protected by the state of Hawaii and federal government, but mostly the state of Hawaii. Now, this is where it gets interesting, okay? You got to understand, Native Hawaiians were invaded, okay? There's still Native Hawaiians there who consider themselves prisoners of the people who overtook it, okay? The federal government. Look at the history of Hawaii. It's kind of sad, okay? So they take this shit really seriously. They take their land seriously. They literally worship their land in a good way. All right, Kilauea, the gods. This is important to them, who they are, okay? Their language, all of it. And this motherfucker wanted to mess with it because he says he's rich and he can do anything he wants. Now, he was arrested and detained by police, and they're going to file charges, I hope. But there's another video, though, of a kid, a native kid, who found him and started to whack the shit out of him. Why? Because homie just found out that the natives don't like you. You are a haole. You don't belong there. And you sure as fuck aren't going to mess with the animal life. That is precious. So, I hope they bring the entire fucking law hammer down on him. Because not only is he entitled, he's fucking evil. Go get him, guys.